Guys, I'm Soumyo, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you can install the Android P volume slider on almost any Android device without root. So guys, without wasting more time, let's get right into this video. So first of all, what you actually need to do is just go to Play Store and download Volume P. It is free, so just download the application and then just open the application, and here just select overlay screen, do not disturb mode, and the phone state and accessibility service. So just go to the accessibility service and just enable the Volume P, and you can see you have the Android P volume slider. And to get the developer preview 2 volume slider on your Android device, just simply just turn off the Volume P and then just enable the Volume P 2, and yeah, now you have the Volume P, the Android P developer preview 2 volume slider, which is okay, great. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and bye bye.